Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world.
This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture science. We do what we must because we can.